R is different with RStudio. R is a programming language used for statistical computing, but RStudio uses R language to develop a statistical program, so R cannot replace RStudio. Also, RStudio cannot replace R. So today I will show you how to download R and RStudio in your computer. First, open Google website and enter download RStudio. Then choose the first one, download RStudio. And then you can choose this first one, download free RStudio. For me, I'm using MacBook, so I can click this one. But if you are using Windows, you can click this one. This is for Windows. For R, you can enter download R, and then click this one, the R project for statistical computing. Download R. Here you can choose whatever crane mirrors you like, like this one, Australia. If you have a Mac, you can click this one, download R for Mac. If you are using Windows, you need to choose download R for Windows. And then you need to click the first one, R402. So now I have RStudio and R. Now I'm going to install R and RStudio in my computer. Click R, and then click continue, 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 agree, install. I need to enter my password for my computer, and then install software. It will take several minutes. Okay, we have installed R. Close this window. To save time, I will skip the process of installing RStudio because it is as same as what we are doing with R package. So for RStudio, you need to choose it and move it to application. RStudio and R. We double click RStudio, we can see the windows of RStudio. Okay, now we have opened RStudio. For this window, you can enter the R language. So I just randomly enter something. And this window, you can see your data just like this. And here, files, you can open some document or your data through here, and plot. If we enter language here, we can draw some plots of your data, and the plot result will be shown there. For the package, sometimes if we do some special analysis like ANOVA regression, we need to download some packages from here.